Hey guys, this is Rajat Goyal, you are watching TechAJ, and in this video we will be doing camera review of OnePlus 8, which looks stunning and comes with a triple rear camera. The primary camera here is of 48 megapixels f1.75 aperture, second one here is a 16 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide angle camera, and the third one here is 2 megapixel f2.4 ultra macro camera. The phone also comes with a stunning display with rounded edges. The colors on this display look very vibrant and sharp. The front camera comes in the form of a punch hole camera, which is a 16 megapixel f2.45 aperture single camera. I'll be showing you nearly 100 camera samples, so this video might be a bit long, but you will definitely enjoy watching these samples, and I'll be sharing my opinions as we proceed in this video. So my first opinion here is that I'm really liking this ultra macro sensor on this one. Macro shots are coming out actually very sharp, and even the colors are looking amazing. Here I would like to tell you that in normal mode, if you shoot in dark environment, the ISO goes up, which also increases the amount of noise in your photos. But in nightscape mode, the ISO is kept in check and the shutter speed is slowed down to take better photos. I personally would always prefer the nightscape mode over this normal mode while shooting in dark environment. So the next thing which I would like to mention here is that the portrait mode comes in 1x and 2x zoom options, and the 2x one shoots much better images. Also, I feel that this 2x mode captures much better colors even in the normal mode. Here you can clearly see if you enable the 48 megapixel mode, it captures much more details than the 12 megapixel mode. In this shot, you can notice a color difference between the normal shot and the portrait shot, which I have seen in other photos as well. These are some of the long exposure shots which can be captured using Pro mode by slowing down the shutter speed. Next thing which I would mention here is that the front 16 megapixel camera is just a decent one. It shoots good photos in good lighting, but as soon as you move to low lighting conditions, the details are completely missing from the front camera photos. So that's one thing which I feel should be improved in upcoming updates. This phone supports 4K cinematic videos plus optical image stabilization, and you can switch between ultra wide angle, and 2x while shooting videos. The slow motion videos here are captured in 720 pixels 480 frames per second. However, you can also shoot slow motion in full HD 240 fps, which won't be as slow as 480 frames per second. So the last thing here I would like to mention is that the slow motions are actually of very good quality. There are no stutters at all, and the slow motion videos come out very smooth. So this is it for this video, guys. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video. Do subscribe to watch our new and upcoming videos, and you can always check out our Hindi channel for more fresh content.